Hi guys, I'm Jay and this is Vroom Vroom. And on the channel today, just a short video, because this won't take long. It's a Yamaha YZF600R Thundercat. I think that's right. It might not be. It's probably not, but it's close. Yeah, this came to me. It's not mine. It's somebody I know just wants me to get it ready for the summer season. So it's got a small wiring issue where someone's had a go at stealing it and wasn't successful, but they've damaged the wiring. It's going to need a new battery, and it's going to need the ignition being put back into place. So not too much to do, but it's a beautiful bike. You just wait till you see it. Right, let's cop on. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It's free. Like, share, do all the normal stuff. And if you haven't watched any of my videos, please do. There's a lot of them, and some of them are actually all right. Some aren't. Some are. We'll see. See if you like them. Anyway, let's crack on with the bike. Well, the newest projects are here. These ones aren't mine, but I've been asked to get them ready. So, yes, it's a Yamaha Thundercat. Oh, got past the thing. I think it's a 600. I will check, but it's a gorgeous looking bike. Non-runner at the moment, so we'll need to get that apart and have a look at it and see. But this isn't just one bike this week. Ta-da! It's two. Yep, Triumph Speed Triple 1050 cc. Tell you what year this is at the moment, but it's a gorgeous looking bike, and it's had a little bit of damage on this side up the top, so we'll need some new panels for that, and the front brake isn't working, so we'll investigate that as well. There's brake fluid in the reservoir. Doesn't look like the release from the master cylinders coming out, so we'll investigate that anyway and see what's going on there. But two brand new projects, and I can't wait to dig into them, so we'll do one at a time, but I haven't decided which way around we're going to do this yet. So yeah, I'm so excited over this. I've never had a Triumph, and the best thing is I've got a Triumph jacket. So at last I've got the motorbike to go with the jacket. So let's dig in and see what we can find. So the Yamaha Thundercat was stolen and recovered, and I've just had a look and you can see the wires hanging out of it. So I've removed the ignition module, and I'm going to take it apart and just see how the wires connect in. I think they just solder on. If I can get access to them, then I can reuse this lock, which will be very, very handy. So I'm going to get this apart. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Probably not. Look at that multitask, eh? Oh, and then we'll just crank those two. We'll be very careful with that, because there's there's wafers in there and they can just pop out, so I don't want to be doing that. So I'm actually going to put that back in and keep that there for now. Right, so I need a bigger screwdriver. Actually, don't need a bigger screwdriver, these are fine. So again, just bear with me, because I haven't got the tripod out, because I wasn't expecting to be doing this right now. But I am very impatient. Right, so if that one pops out there, that one pops out like so, and I'm very careful here, and that's exactly what I needed. So I'm going to take the connector block off of the bike now. It was only a couple of screwdriver bits, and I guess we'll get soldering. This could be, there might not even be a video on this, because if this is all that's wrong with it, then this is just going to be just too easy. That's famous last words, weren't it? Yeah, that engine's going to be shagged now when I try and start it. We can all tell. Right, let's get on. Right, so yeah, there's the wiring from it. So one down there. Again, bear with me because I wasn't expecting to be doing any of this. I haven't even got any of my tools out. I've got nothing ready. One back there. Oh, hello. Focus. Focus. I'm just going to stay with me because it's only 3 screws. And one there. You can see how impatient I am. I mean, the Triumph's just sitting there. This is where it was delivered. Right, so those are those 3. Oh, need to drop the screwdriver, and then I'm hoping this panel will just pop off, which it does. And just in there, I can see the block. So I will have to do this with my other hand, so excuse me 1 second. Right, so there it is, just 2 connector blocks, nice and easy. Wires are in there. And so we'll get the soldering iron out, and we'll give that a little bit of reattachment, and then we'll see what happens. It seriously can't be this easy. It can't be. There's something else wrong with this bike, I know there is. We'll see. Right, so battery's fitted and we're ready for the first start. Now there's 2 wires on the ignition. I may have soldered around the wrong way, but I do have an ignition light, which is good news. I've taken the kill switch off, and let's give it a go. Ah, of course, being an old bike, it's got a choke. That sounds promising. Right, put this down and give it another go. So just needed a bit more choke. I didn't have it fully engaged, but it's sounding okay. Try and give it a little rev. And I'm happy with that. Sounds good. Just starting to lose the light a bit, and my back garden's looking quite busy. Yeah, a lot of horsepower sitting down there. Right, so we are back on the Thundercat because that's the one that's making me smile at the moment. What a nice bike. For a 1999 model, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I have changed the battery, as I said, and I've taken it up and down the road, and it feels great. There's just something about that riding position that makes you want to just give it some. But I haven't. I've resisted the urge. And the wires that I've put back in are the right way round because I've tested all the lights, the brake lights, everything else, and it's good. So this needs to go there, and that wire there needs to go under there. So let's just see how we crack on with that. So I was rushing a little bit when I put the wires back in here yesterday. Do need to just check the threads in that top yoke though to make sure they're okay, but I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'll have to run the wire under the other way. There's no way around it. It's only 2 clips, but it is tight on space. So that's it on this one. A nice easy project. In the end, all it needed was a battery, some soldering on the ignition wires, and the ignition lock being put back into place, and it's running like a dream. What a beautiful, beautiful bike. And it's ready to go back to its owner now. So that's it on this one. Nice short video, and well, got a beauty for you next week, so stick around and I'll see you then. Take care, guys. Bye.